Welcome to another edition of Birdview Tutorials. In this video, we'll show you how to create custom forms, collect project requests, and convert submissions into projects, tasks, issues, or requests. Custom forms are a great way to standardize project intake, collect information from clients or team members, and ensure every request follows the same process. Let's get started. First, navigate to the Custom Forms section from the left navigation menu. Here, you'll find all existing forms in your account. To create a new form, click Add Custom Form. Start by entering a name and description for your form. Next, click Add Field or Label to choose the information you want to collect. You can add text fields for project names or short answers, text areas for detailed descriptions, file attachments for documents and requirements, date fields for requested start and end dates, drop-down lists and radio buttons for predefined selections. You can also make fields mandatory to ensure submitters provide all required information before sending the request. For even greater consistency, you can connect fields to existing custom fields you've already created in Birdview. This allows form responses to automatically align with your company's standardized data structure. Click Preview to see exactly how the form will appear to users. Once you're happy with the design, save your changes. Keep in mind that forms can be saved as draft or active. Draft forms can still be edited but cannot receive submissions. Active forms are available for users to submit immediately. Now let's look at how people can access the form. If you enable Allow Anonymous Users, external users, clients, and stakeholders can submit requests without having a Birdview account. You can either share the form link directly or embed the form on your website. You can also configure notifications so specific team members are alerted whenever a new form is submitted. Next, let's configure the conversion rules. Conversion rules determine what happens after a submission is received. A form can be converted into a project, a task, an issue, and a request. For example, if you're collecting new project requests, select Project as the conversion type. You can also choose a project template, portfolio, workflow, and define how each form field maps to project fields within Birdview. Now let's see how submissions work. When someone opens the form, they simply fill out the requested information, attach any files if needed, and click Submit. To review submissions, return to the Custom Forms section. The number displayed beside each form shows how many submissions have been received. Open a submission to review the information provided. From here, you can choose to convert the submission into a project, task, issue, or request. When converting to a project, Birdview will display the conversion settings you've already configured. You can make adjustments if needed and then click Convert to Project. Birdview will immediately create the project in the Activity Center. If a project template was selected, all associated tasks, dependencies, assignments, estimated hours, workflows, and other template settings will automatically be applied. You'll also see all submitted information mapped into the appropriate project fields, including descriptions, dates, custom fields, file attachments, and portfolio assignments. You can also enable Auto-Convert All Submissions. When enabled, Birdview automatically converts every new submission into a project, task, issue, or request without requiring manual review. This is especially useful for support tickets, service requests, and other high-volume intake processes. Finally, all form submissions can be exported to CSV for reporting and analysis. And that's it! Thanks for watching. For more tips, visit the Birdview knowledge base. Happy planning!